So because we have exhausted the first quarter of the year, I just felt like I should remind you of the reasons why you should set deadlines for whatever you're doing if you're going to achieve anything this year for your annual planning. So today I'm going to give you 2 more reasons why deadlines are important for whatever you are doing. I already did a video of 3 reasons why you need deadlines and the importance of setting deadlines. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below, so you might want to check that one out. But today I just come with 2 more tips on why you should be reminded to set deadlines in everything you are doing, so that you are just pushed to get on with the work. Don't go anywhere. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your self-help channel and I am margaretnakaongayumi, your self-help coach, bringing you nothing but things that can help you be more and become the best version of yourself. So today I'm giving you 2 reasons why deadlines are important. Number 1, I want to ask you if you have noticed how some things are seasonal and others are legendary. Right? So there are some ideas that you're going to have. There's some plans that you're going to have. There's some thoughts that are going to come in your mind because of inspiration that are going to be seasonal. Okay. For that period of time, in that maybe first quarter of the year, maybe in that plague, maybe in that whatever thing that is trending, you can have ideas. And so if you do not set deadlines for you to achieve that idea that has been dropped in your mind, then that time passes. Then you might want to do it, but it might not work out for you as it would have been if you did it the very first time, the very instant that you had the idea. Why? Because maybe it was seasonal, right? The idea might have been seasonal. And so it is important to set deadlines and just get to work. Take actions, be a go-getter in whatever you want to do. And if you are compelled to do it right there and then, I urge you and I highly stress the fact that you gotta go for it. You just have to do it, because if it is seasonal, it's going to work wonders for you. You might have 1 million views. You might have people coming to you. You might have people that want to help at that time. Why? Because of the season. But if it is legendary, of course, it might stay for years and people might find you later after some years. But because you don't know, and if you do know, that is good, then just go ahead and work it out. But if you don't know, that's why we have to be risk takers, we have to be go-getters, and we have to work with our guts. If your gut tells you to do something right there and then, do not hesitate. You don't know the impact that it's going to bring to you, to your family, and to the people around you. Now, number 2 is the fact that, have you noticed how much enthusiastic we are the first time we want to do something, the first time we have an inspiration or maybe an idea or maybe have a plan on how we should go about it? Yes. So the more that you delay doing that, the more zeal just like goes away. Your enthusiasm just goes away. And that drive that you had in the beginning is just going to be drained. And it won't seem as important as it felt the first time you had it. So the time to act is now. When you have an idea, start working on it bit by bit, day by day. And if you feel like it is the right time to execute it, well, just go right ahead and do it, because the season just might not favor you anymore, or your zeal, your love, and your enthusiasm might just be drained because you delayed and because you procrastinated. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please do give me a thumbs up. And if you are not yet a subscriber, please do consider subscribing to join the community of self-helping people, and just so that you can be notified every time I get to upload a new video. This has been margaretnakaongayumi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.